Wait, there's another Moe's?
No.
Did we
Are
just...
way further? Yeah, we're way further down than we thought we were.
We're walking down the streets of Newport, which is actually a really cool seaside town. Lots of cute shops, lots of cute artwork.
Gonna see
Sea lions! We came last night to see them as well.
They were.
And they were fighting.
Real feisty.
They are real sassy. But we want to see them during the day as well. So we came all the way back here to Newport to check them out.
All the way 4 minutes away.
We spent an extra night in Newport and ran into a local who told us to come check out this beach, and it's absolutely beautiful. He said he saw whales here this morning, so we'll be on the lookout for them. But it's a beautiful day. We're excited to drive up the coast and see a little bit more of the beaches that Oregon has to offer.
We came back also this morning to see the sea lions in the day, and that was really cool as well.
And we really wanted some more Dutch Bros coffee, so we got that too.
Hey bros!
Ooh, people are surfing over here.
Here we are at Seal Rock.
We drove by it yesterday and thought that it looked really pretty, but didn't really have time to stop, and it was getting dark. So we turned around and came back here today, and it was well worth coming back for. It's beautiful. We're not going to go down to the actual beach because we just came from another beach.
This was the view that we were looking for anyway.
Yeah, this view is literally incredible. This is one of my favorite beaches I think I've ever been to. I've been to a lot.
It's called Seal Rock because it used to be a home to a ton of seals.
And if anybody could tell us what the difference between a seal, a sea lion,
And a
and a
walrus.
walrus is.
Here's my guess. A seal and a sea lion are very similar, but they're not the same. They're little and maybe happier. And then a sea lion and a walrus are the exact same thing, but walruses are a little bigger and have serious tusks. That's my guess.
So if you're driving up the Oregon coast, make sure to stop at Seal Rock Beach. It's freaking gorgeous. We met a really nice local as we were talking to the sea lion. Wait, we weren't talking.
I actually was.
We were driving by it yesterday. Sorry. We're here at Seal Rock.
She stole my line. No idea what beach we're on, but it's right next to Newport. Oh, well, is this Newport? Yeah. Is this on?